Here in Nanyuki, we have opened a new autism center by name Tumaini St. Olak Autism Center, a place where we want to attend to children with this particular disability or difficulty living with autism, which is becoming very common in our country. We have seen so many families unable to handle what is happening to their children, who delay in learning, who are hyper, who don't know exactly what to do, and delay in their speech. Most of those families are poor and are not being able to address the problem, and when they do, it's too expensive. So today, thanks to the generosity of many Christians and local benefactors, we have been able to put up this center here with the units that will give therapy, speech therapy, occupational therapy. We also have the biggest sensory room I think we have now in our country, and at the same time assisting these children through hydrotherapy to become mobile, those who have mobility issues, etc.
My son is autistic and akona miaka 8, na nilijua alipokuwa na miaka 3. Hiyo ndio nilisikia hiyo jina kwa mara ya kwanza, na sikukubali kwa sababu ni kitu sikuwaisikia. Hizi therapies ni very expensive. Kwa mfano tunalipa 2,000 for only 1 hour every week, so it has become very, very expensive. So with this center, we are grateful, first of all, to God because of the financial burden imetuondolea. Number 2, we know that what God intended these children to become, they will become.